Hello, I'm Paul O'Connor, Product Manager for RouteMagic, and today I'd like to introduce you to our electronic proof of delivery management system. The RouteMagic ePod solution fully integrates with any ERP system and allows you the tools for route planning, live delivery tracking, sending customer notifications, and emailing ePod delivery confirmations immediately to your customer. The RouteMagic application enables your orders from your ERP or sales order processing systems to be brought in to the RouteMagic planner. So we can see here I have a plan for 3 routes which are going out today, and the one I'm going to work on is Route 99, which has 5 deliveries here to be made to our customers. I can look at these deliveries, I can view details of what they are. So on here I'm actually delivering individual product which I will pick from my van, whereas on this order here I'm actually delivering packages or pre-packed items. So all my driver has to do is select the correct box which is indexed here and shows a barcode, and that can be confirmed both at loading and unloading and delivery to the customer. So I have my 5 deliveries to make. I can view on a map where they are, and it will come down and it will show me where they are. I can scale in, I can see if that's a sensible route, if it's not a sensible route. If I wish to, I can use our route optimization algorithm and optimize that route, and it will then come through and it will change the sequence. It will say you're better off going this way, but I've actually already made a commitment to the Atlantic Fish Bar that they would be my first call of the day. So if that's my route which I'm going to go, I can simply come through, save that route, and that route is now planned and ready for the driver to download. To enable you to stay in control of your delivery fleet, our route monitor allows you to see the status of every journey which is out, how many deliveries have actually been processed, and whereabouts on the route your drivers are. So we can see here that Route 2 has been out and has completed their deliveries. Route 99D is halfway through their route, whereas on Route 99 we have yet to start. So onto the handheld. So the RouteMagic handheld is incredibly easy to use. Alan Watts is our driver today. I can come through to Alan and I can select which route he's been allocated. So he's working on Route 99, today's date 19th of the 6th, and we're downloading that route now onto his handheld. It comes through and it's asking me first of all, do I want to allow RouteMagic to send notifications? So RouteMagic enables you to send SMS and text messages to your customers automatically once you maybe reach within a geo fence for that customer to say that you are next on the list to be delivered to, or from the driver to send an ad hoc text message. So I will allow. And it then comes down and it's telling me that Alan Watts is very near to your delivery point, Atlantic Fish Bar, and you should be ready and waiting for his delivery. So I'm now on the opening screen of the application, and you can see the 6 tiles on here show me my main menu or main tasks for the driver. So the first task, which is shown on here, is the vehicle inspection, and I have to complete the vehicle inspection before I can do any other task. Come through and I just simply tick box to select or enter in a value where it asks for a value. And I can just go through, answer the questions, complete. If I wish, I could take capture a video or photograph of any damage to the bodywork, and I can take a signature and just come through, and Alan signs for his deliveries for today, and off he goes. So he's now ready, his vehicle is roadworthy, and it sends that information back in real time through to the server so that you can tell in the office that he has actually completed that vehicle check. Next thing I'm going to do is load stock. So I just go to the load stock and it comes through. And here you can see I have a mix of different products and product types that I'm delivering. So the first part of my screen here, it's saying these are the pre-packed boxes that I am delivering to these customers, and here are some loose items which I'm actually going to be delivering freestyle or from free stock to my customers. So to make it very simple and to make it verifiable, I can actually go through and I can scan the boxes that I'm loading onto my vehicle. So I can just go through, it records that, and it comes on here, and it's telling me on that one there that there's an issue that that box is not validated for my particular route. I can complete my final ones. So you can see it's a very quick, very easy procedure for drivers to load their vehicle and to validate that they have the correct boxes on their vehicle for their customers. There's a drop-down menu here which tells me I can look at all, I can look at pending, or I can look at loaded. So if he does have a large volume of items to load, it gives them a good breakdown that at the moment there is nothing outstanding on his route. So it's very easy for him to see that as he goes through his loading. So if that's all confirmed, I've loaded everything, I can confirm that, change his color on here to indicate to the driver that his loading is complete, and he can close out. And he's now ready to commence his route. Useful thing for the driver is that he can come through and he can see his stops, where his first stop is and where he's got to go to, and the stops on the map on there. He can also come through to service the customers, and there is the list of the deliveries he has to make today. So he can come through, and if we very quickly go through to Atlantic Fish Bar, and we can just come up and we could send, as we were saying, a message through to one of these drivers, and it will just come through, and it's an automated facility. It knows the phone number, it knows the details, and I can just say that your delivery will be arriving in 10 minutes. So I can just go through there and just confirm that that text is being sent, and it will just go straight through to that customer. Come back out from there. So there's no need for the drivers to know any phone numbers. They can pick up any device and just very simply stay in communication with their customers. Go through, it comes up, and it gives me a message, or it gives your driver the message that how you wish, or if there's any special instructions for that delivery. Confirm, it comes through. I've got my stock item that I'm actually delivering, and this is a self-pick item off the back of the van. So I just confirm. If I've got any deposit items, it will just go through. I can sign for that, key in my name, and confirm. It's now telling me that as part of the business rules that we set up, I have to take a photograph to give me proof of delivery. So I can just go through and I can take a photo of the boxes maybe which I've left. That's my proof of delivery, and it then just goes through and will allow me to complete that. And forcing the driver to take that photograph gives you an invaluable aid in the current circumstances where contactless delivery is becoming the norm, and the fact that you can prove with a photograph that you have left the boxes at the correct location because that photograph is GPS stamped. It will give you greater control and greater accountability of your customers over any delivery disputes. So coming through to our next customer, Mercure. So Mercure is one which we are actually delivering a box to. So here it comes through and it gives me the details there, and it's telling me I have 2 boxes that I'm going to deliver. And again, to make sure I deliver the correct boxes, I can scan those off, and if I try to put another one on there, it's warning me that this is not the correct package for this customer. If I take that one there, it's confirmed, everything is good. I can come back and you can see there again it has ticked to confirm that I have selected the 2 boxes which are right for that delivery. I can confirm that. It goes through, gives me the details of the delivery. If any of your customers are cash on delivery, you have the opportunity to take payment, and if they are a strict cash on delivery customer, it will prompt you that you must take a payment and you cannot go past this screen. So I can confirm, and it just then comes through and it gives me a reminder. With this account I have my key holder, so I have to confirm that I have relocked the doors, set the alarm, and I put the chilled goods away. So I can confirm that, and it then takes me through to the next customer and I carry on. Over in the office are able to see that I have now completed 2 of my calls. So immediately the office is updated. The proof of delivery is there, available for the customer to look at. It just comes through. It tells me what was delivered, the time and date of that delivery, our delivery driver, the person who received the order, and the map location. And then by simple trigger, that can be emailed directly out to your customer. And I just go through, and that completes, as I complete my route, each delivery is therefore highlighted and included as the completed file. At any time, I can ask and view where my team are, so I can view on a map where the vans are, what they're doing, who they're delivering to, as I go through the day. So I've got a full track and trail on any of my vehicles and all of the completed drops and the locations those drops have been successful at. So I hope that gives you a good introduction to the RouteMagic ePod solution, and it enables you to integrate with any ERP system or sales order processing system, and it provides you with the planning, optimization, tracking and customer notifications. Thank you very much for your time, and if you want further information, please visit our website www.routemagic.co.uk or contact us at one of our offices below. Many thanks.